welcome to my channel. So today I'm with a new video with respect to RRBPO self-given exam analysis. So yesterday due to some constraints I was unable to make the analysis video. Okay, so I'm making this video with respect to the examination that I gave yesterday in the shift 4. So there were 4 shifts yesterday and my shift was in last. And yeah, the examination was as expected will be at the moderate level itself. That's because of the number of applications and also the number of vacancies that we get. So I'll briefly discuss about the type of questions that I got and number of attempts I did and what was the exam level. And recently I was able to see the new trends that has been set in IBPS examination. That is because of the they are also increasing the difficulty level, so to maintain the cutoffs and with respect to the number of vacancies and all. Okay, so before proceeding, if you like the video, please like it and share it with your friends and subscribe to my channel. And if you feel the video is slow, you can adjust the video speed to 1.5x. Okay, so let's come to the difficulty level. So the difficulty level was, I would say, easy to moderate itself, but tilting towards easy. So there were only some questions that were which I felt that was moderate or difficult in nature. Apart from that, I did not feel that the paper was very difficult or something. So like IBPS had used its mind and they had fixed traps in some questions so that the students will waste their time and also do not get their answers. So I'll explain you what happened to me in the examination. All, don't worry. Okay, so the first was reasoning. So reasoning, I would say it was completely easy itself. So I was able to attend 38 on 40, so which is a very good attempt. So 38 and 40, I attempted 38 on 40, and the accuracy also in the puzzles section and all, I was very lucky because there was 10 box puzzles where I had to create almost 8 possibilities, or else we can't solve this. And somehow with the clues I eliminated 3, and apart in the remaining 5 I had to solve it with the available clues. And in this I started with one of the first possibilities, and for my fortunate times this first possibility clicked out, and this was the answer. So I was very happy with respect to that. And because of this the 10 box puzzle was solved very easily. And apart from that, there were another puzzle with 2 variables like 6 persons, 6 months, and goes to 6 places. So this was also very easy. And 1 second, yeah, there was one more puzzle with respect to floor and flat. There were 4 floors and 2 flats with single variable itself, so we had to do it with the available clues. And there was one question with respect to like taking first, second, third, fourth letter and making a new word. So there more than one word was able to be formed. So I clicked like Y as the answer, because they would have mentioned the in the instruction itself. And please, one more thing, please have this in mind. So the default language will be English or Hindi. Okay, and you have to choose one more language. So for me, I chose Kannada as my second one more language. So when you click it, the options that you get is very wide in nature. So for example, if the first option is here, and again the second Kannada language option also is present here, and again after some gap the second options English section will be present. So there will be lot of gap between the options, so you have to scroll a lot between the options as well to find the option. So this is one thing. And the second thing is the difficulty that I faced was in the this is the first panel in the interface, this is the second panel, and this is the third panel where the 1 2 3 4 options will be present. So this is the question panel, and this is the graph or something panel. So in this kind of questions, in this second panel, the questions has to be scrolled left and right to see the full question. So this was one of the drawback that I saw. So in this thing itself, you will lose 2 to 3 minutes of the whole time. Out of 45 minutes, if you get 4 to 5 questions like this, then you lose 2 to 3 minutes. So please be very careful about this also. Okay, have this in mind. So next, coming to quant section. Yeah, this was the trap for shift 4. So because I felt the quants was moderate in nature. That's because, see, one DI was there. There were 2 DIs. One DI was easy, and the second DI was like, it was also easy. The concept was easy. Like in the first table, they had given male plus female, and the second table they had given male minus female. So it was easy to find out the number of males and females. But here the trap was the numbers they had given with respect to 4 companies. In the numbers was very difficult. It was not like 1000 2000, no, like not like that. It was like 2 3 1 5 and 4 6 2 5. I am not telling the exact number, I don't know, I don't remember, but still this was the type of number. So one more like a 4 6 1 2 etc. These were the things. So you had to add these and subtract both of them to and divide by 2 to get the number of males, and you had to subtract the number of males from the total number of students or the people to get the number of female. And also the questions were not so easy. It was like based on the company, male A of company to female of B. They were asking the percentage, etc. like this. So this was the biggest trap. So I lost 4 minutes here. I did for 4 minutes, and to my surprise I did not get any of the answers. So I skipped this DI. So or else I would have got these 4 questions also correctly. So this was one of the trap. And the number system, they had given incorrect numbers, not missing numbers. So this was also second trap. And the number, it was not so easy. There were 7 questions, out of which I was able to get only 3, and remaining 4 I did not get. It was a bit tricky because the logics they used was quite tricky. And I did one more DI, and my total attempts were 22 in quants. So in total I was able to attend 60 on 80, which is a very good attempt according to me. But still we need to see the accuracy and the normalization factor, everything has to be seen. So can't predict anything as of now, but let me have a an idea like what can be the expected cutoff. So since the cutoff is region wise, so based upon the shift that I have attended in this shift, as I said, the reasoning was easy, but the quants was moderate. So having all these in mind, so I would say for the state of Karnataka, the cutoff will be around 51 to 52, or it can also go to 53. See, this is based upon the analysis of my shift only. So the other day shift also varies. So don't think like that like I am giving the accurate numbers. So this can be a baseline. So whoever has done with respect to these amount of questions or above this also can have hopes. And whoever has got 55 plus with 100% accuracy, then I would say please prepare for mains also. And this analysis only for Karnataka students, okay? And for because the cutoff varies, because last time in Rajasthan, Uttarakhand and all, the cutoff was around 58 59. So it depends upon the applications and the number of students that are attending, okay? So this was a and yeah, as I said, the new trend in IBPS exam is that they will have a trap question everywhere. So the person who finds this trap question is the hero, I would say. Because see, in my shift also in quant section, as I said, the DI was a trap question. So we know that the question is easy, but the numbers was difficult. So looking into the question itself, we decide that okay, I will do this type of questions. But no, this is very difficult. And in the shift 1 also, I was seeing Olive Board's review yesterday night, and they are told that the blood relation thing was very difficult. So usually what we'll do in blood relation is that it will be very easy. So we're thinking that we will step into that and we will waste 3 to 5 minutes of time. But after getting into the question itself, we will get to know that it was very difficult. So please have these things in your mind. It can be for this exam or in the future exams also, because the exams will not be easy, that's for sure. So it will be minimum of moderate level. So you need to be very careful about this, and you need to judge like what are the questions that we need to attend. So if you have this in mind, then yes, then you can surely clear any of the examinations conducted by IBPS, okay? So this was the detailed analysis, guys. So yesterday I was a bit busy, so I was unable to make the video. So whoever is seeing the video, please like it and share it with your friends and subscribe to my channel. That's all for today. Thank you.